Hello everyone. I'm going to do a quick demo on how to implement a list view that gets its data from an array. We're going to be looking at the layout, a simple adapter that passes the data from our array to the list view, the on-item click listener, which will listen for our clicks on the list view, and a quick way to display messages called toasts. We'll also be looking at how to display extra data from a class, such as the one that we implemented a couple of sessions ago. So I have my environment set up, and as you can see, it doesn't have anything. It's just an empty relative layout. We will add a list view that contains the width, the height, and most importantly, an ID. Going back to the main activity, we can now start programming our list view to accept our data. So we're gonna create the list view. We're gonna call it list view. And we're gonna get it from layout. Now, what we want is to add the data to our class. So we're going to declare it in the variable area. We're going to declare a string array. And we're going to assign it 3 elements. So we'll add Facebook. We're going to add Twitter. And also hashtag. Right, so now we have our data declared in the variable section. We're going to create an adapter that's going to take our data and display it in the list view. So we're going to create an array adapter called adapter. So this is going to be a new array adapter that will hold strings. Now the array adapter takes a context, our context being our activity, so we're going to call it this, the view type that it's going to display, so we're going to go for a default one, Android .r.layout .simple list item 1, and then we're going to give it our data. So we're going to put in the variable share2. The last thing we need to do is attach the adapter to the list view. So we're going to say list view dot set adapter to adapter. And if we run it now, we'll see that our application is taking the data from the array and putting it into our list view. So as you can see, our data is displayed in the list.